Now, away from that, a shareholder of Pevans East Africa Limited, the company that owns the Sportpesa brand's intellectual properties, says that he and other shareholders were not made aware of the impending resumption of Sportpesa's business in Kenya, as alleged by Sportpesa Chief Executive Ronald Karauri. Paul Ndungu says Pevans East Africa ceased operations in July 2019 and up to then was 53% owned by Kenyans. Ndungu alleges the company was for some time being run without the input of the board, as non-Kenyan shareholders and executive directors aligned themselves with the CEO. As a result, over 27 billion shillings was transferred within a 3-year period to various offshore accounts in the Isle of Man, Dubai, and the Canary Islands in the UK. Ndungu also alleges that foreign shareholders have fraudulently transferred the shareholding of Sportpesa Global Holdings Limited to themselves and their associates.